Sec Vince, my questions would focus on the ongoing and proposed projects of this administration. Recently, I believe the other day, President BBM said that the EDSA rebuild would be suspended. Would this mean that the EDSA rebuild would be cancelled?
Hindi naman po, Sir, Madam Chair. Ang sabi lang po ng Pangulo is lalo-lalo na sa DPWH kung saan po siya ang lead agency dito po sa pagpapatupad ng EDSA rebuild. Ang sabi lang po niya, let us find a better way. And when he said a better way, he essentially meant a way that will be faster, so para hindi masyadong mahirapan ng ating mga kababayang dumadaan sa EDSA. So ang sabi niya, imbes na 2 taon, ang gusto po niya 6 na buwan lang. So ang sabi po niya, 1 month, balikan niyo ako ulit with a better way. At tignan natin kung ma-address nito yung mga concerns ng ating mga kababayan. So hindi naman po ibig sabihin canceled, Madam Chair, Your Honor. Pero sabi nga po talaga ng Pangulo, nakinig po siya sa ating mga kababayan for us to find a better way and a faster way.
We know that the EDSA rebuild will be forthcoming. However, there was no mention of the amount allocated for this big project. Meron bang ballpark figure ng administration regarding this project?
Opo, nagsabi po ang DPWH ng amount hanggang 2026, end of 2026, ito po ay 8.7 billion. Pero po yung pong mga matitira pa na aabot ng 2027, ang estimate po ng DPWH, ang total po ay aabot ng 15 billion, 15 billion po.
So what is now the status of these projects? Has already been bidded out? We know very well that the procurement process is quite tedious, no? Minsan umabot yan ng 2 to 3 months, sometimes 4 months. Now, if it will be suspended for 1 month, so meaning all of these procurement processes have already been initiated. Nabidding na po ba itong mga projects for the EDSA rebuild?
Sa akin pong pagkakaalam, again, subject to the verification from the DPWH, who is the lead implementing agency, is advanced stages na po ng procurement. Meron na po atang mga natapos na ang procurement, pero alinsunod nga po dito sa utos ng ating Pangulo na i-pause muna at maganap ng mas maganda at mas mabilis na paraan. Baka po kailangan is mag-adjust po ang DPWH dito. But again, this is I have to defer to the DPWH on this po,